Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Safira, a special staff to the United States President. So today we'll discuss the rationale behind United States tariff on Chinese imports. While tariffs are often viewed as a barrier here, they are used as tool to create a fairer and more sustainable trade environment. We believe global trade thrives through mutual accountability, transparency, and respect. This presentation aims to shift our focus from tension to opportunities for deeper cooperation and shared prosperity. Today, I will covering a few points, including trade relation in the context US and China, why tariff the US perspective, acknowledging the concerns, opportunities for cooperation, and the number behind the policy, United States initiative to support fair trade, pathway to collaboration, and a shared commitment to grow. Okay, and the next slide, trade relation in context United States and China. The United States and China trade relationship is one of the most significant in the world, but it has long faced challenges. A persistent trade imbalance, concern over intellectual property protection and technology transfers, uneven access to markets. And then, okay, next slide. Oh no. Tariffs were introduced as a part of broader strategy to address this structural issue. They aim to rebalance trade protect American industry and encourage reforms that promote transparency and reciprocity. Okay, the next slide. Tariffs are not meant to isolate, but to create incentives. The United States approach is based on three main principles. First, promoting fair and reciprocal access to markets, and second, protecting strategic industry and jobs they support, and third is encouraging policy reforms in markets with persistent distortions. The next slide, we fully recognize the impact that tariffs have had, especially on business facing tighter margins and rising costs. That's why the United States emphasized the importance of open and transparent communication and support long-term trade stability that benefit both sides. Next slide. Despite ongoing global challenges, Chinese business still have significant opportunities through cooperation. This include access to the United States consumer markets, and which is one of the largest and the most largest and dynamic in the world. Furthermore, joint venture in key areas like green energy, manufacturing, and semiconductor can foster innovation. Through collaboration, both sides can greater economic resilience. Next slide. Despite the impact the tariff, we see that several sectors like high technology, electronic, and medical device to have continued to grow. This indicates the resilience of these industries. Also, that many Chinese companies are successfully adapting by diversifying and localizing their operation as a key success stories in this transformation. So next slide. The United States promote fair trade by encouraging transparent investment and equitable partnership. It strengthens international cooperation through bilateral forums on innovation and entrepreneurship, while also maintains active communication via business councils and trade liaison office. This initiative aims to create a fairer and more sustainable global trade environment. Next slide. Future progress requires active collaboration. This can be achieved through ongoing dialogue between trade and partners, regular policy review to ensure fairness, and improve supply chain transparency using modern technology. Sorry. This step help build trust and support long-term sustainable partnership. Okay, the next slide. The title that is Pathway to Collaboration is present trade data between China and US for 2017 and 2024. In 2017, China export to the US was significantly higher than US transfer to China. Okay, so by 2024, China export to slightly decline, while United States export are expected to rise, indicating a shift toward a more balanced trade relationship. The data highlight evolving, dynamic, and growing.